Well, welcome to Beth's garden. Yeah, it just stopped raining again. It's about the middle of the afternoon here, and not much else to do today with all the rain and that, so I guess this is kind of a video day. And fortunately, they're uploading pretty fast, so I guess we'll just take advantage of that today and show you a whole bunch of best flowers here. Wow, she's done such a good job on all of her flowers and everything that's here. I hope she knows what this stuff is, because I have no clue. Oh, she planted my asparagus here. We got some asparagus, so she planted it here. Hopefully that'll take. I'd love nothing better than the green type of asparagus that I'm kind of used to and that, so we will kind of see what happens here. Wow. And of course all of her different stuff. She's got some more orchids here that she's probably going to be working at. Yep. I don't very often get back in her garden here, but looks pretty nice. Of course, she's got a ton of peach growing, a ton of tomatoes started. Boy, you name it, everything from cactus to flowers to, yeah, a little bit of everything. She experiments with everything, which is good. That way we've got a place that's so green, and of course I'm proud of her peach plants here. Very good. Very good. And the salad, she's going to have to start, and all this of course is with the compost that I'm making, and just straight basically compost. The little bit of dirt that's mixed within it is whatever we dig up with it. I need to kind of walk through here. Wow, yeah. She did have a, oh, gotta watch my step here. If squash. Wow, look at that. Very nice squash. And that is kind of her first big one here. A lot of growth. I mean, if you look across her patch here, not much in the way of fruit or squash, but sure a lot of growth. But we got at least one here, so that's good. One nice big one. I don't know if I thought I saw a couple more small ones starting, but yeah, we'll just have to see. I think a big problem here is pollination. I want to give you a look here, if I can kind of walk around here to see how the grape plant is going. Look at this. Yeah, this was given to us by Joseph, as I mentioned before. Wow, and it is doing exceptionally well, and I'm just kind of keeping my fingers crossed here, so maybe we can get a root or two off of this plant and start growing grapes. I'd love nothing better here than to grow some grapes. And of course, days like this with the rain and the cloudy skies and the cool weather, I'm sure they absolutely love this kind of weather. And I've noticed that also, if I can kind of take a trip around here, of course all of her all of her plants here. I need to show you one more thing that we're doing here, and it's starting to rain again. And hopefully I won't get any on the camera here too much. I want to show you one more thing here before I kind of close this out. Walk down past my compost pile. Another thing that Joseph gave us was a couple of strawberry plants. So what we did is I've kind of got an enclosure here with a net and surrounded by hedge. But look at our strawberry plant. It is finally sending out runners, fresh runners, and the other one there too. Doesn't look like it's quite doing as well. We'll have to see if this kind of takes here with these runners, but wow, everything looks so good here, and I can keep my fingers crossed that because once they start sending out the runners all over the place and the runners get rooted, and that more strawberry plants, and always the more the better. I'd love nothing better than to get some fresh strawberries here too. So I'll leave everybody go at that. This is one of those rainy day specials where the best thing to do, I guess, is just take videos and upload videos. Not much else going on for the day in that, and it looks like we're going to get some more rain. So I'll say goodbye to everybody. Everybody have a good day, and God bless you all.